is doing a PhD on multiplex networks. Massimo, could I ask you to describe your perspective?
Well, my perspective is that we need to develop novel tools and novel models for understanding complex systems that display interactions that are not locally treatable. And I think it's quite an active and prolific research field in which the approach is very classic. We want to use a network as a tool for explaining or investigating real-world scenarios or real-world systems that are actually everywhere all over the world.
So how are you actually approaching this in your work?
Well, I'm currently having a look at multi-level systems. In detail, I study the mental lexicon, the way in which words are correlated and structured within an analyzed lexicon that is in our minds. And in order to do so, I use multiplex systems, multiplex networks.
And what sort of results are you seeing?
Well, the results are mainly relative to the computational linguistics aspect. We could use the knowledge we get about correlations in this structure of words for natural language processing, or mainly for writing automatic novels.
And why is this important more generally?
The very fascinating thing that I guess, in my opinion, is the most important part is that the tools that we develop for multiplex systems, for multiplex networks, can easily be generalized in different contexts and are therefore quite powerful. Myself, I'm applying these tools not only to linguistics, but also to other completely different scenarios, like, for instance, ecological systems. This is, I guess, the main, most fascinating and exciting thing about these systems, these networks.
Massimo, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much for the interview.